Hello, class. Today, we are going to continue to learn the verb to have. Last lesson, we learned first person, second person, and third person singular forms of the verb to have. We say singular because it means only one. Only one me, only one you, only one he, and only one she. But today, we are going to learn the plural forms, which mean more than one. Plural first person is we have. The plural of the second person is you all have. And the plural of the third person is they have. And just like our last lesson, we will learn the verb to have as we continue to learn some body parts. So first, we are going to learn mouth. Mouth is spelled M-O-U-T-H, and that spells mouth. We have a mouth. We have mouths. We add an S to mouths to show more than one. How many mouths can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 mouths. Great job. Let's learn our next body part, the eye. Eye is spelled E-Y-E, and that spells eye. How many eyes do you have? You all have 2 eyes, and that is the second person, plural. But how many eyes do they have? They have 3 eyes, and that is the third person. So second person is you all have 2 eyes, but the third person is they have 3 eyes. Now you try. Let's see. First person plural using the body part ear. We have ears. That is correct. Let's try another one. Second person plural with the body part nose. How about this one? Great work. You all have noses. And let's just do one more. Third person plural with the body part eye. You could do it. Excellent work. They have eyes. Wow. Amazing work with the verb to have. Keep up the good work. And remember to always have fun when you learn.